Okay, so this video is a quick look at this hose cutoff tool. This is an XRP part number that we purchased. XRP is a race car plumbing company. But the actual hose saw bracket, the hinge part and the bracket that bolts to the table, is a Parker product called Carry Cut with K's. And I think the part number is 691076. So this apparatus may be able to be purchased from a Parker dealer. Once you have the bracket, you need to get a circular saw, just a 7 1/4 circular saw. Any will work. There's a million of them on the market. And the saw bolts to the bracket. We used some special bolts because the provided ones did not work very well, but it just bolts to the bracket, pretty straightforward. And then the other special part is the blade. So the blade that we chose to use is made by F.H. Curtis. It's part of their Toledo hose cutting line. And this blade is a scalloped blade because we learned that it cuts through the type of hose we're doing a little bit better than the smooth blade. You have to have either the smooth or the scalloped blade, which these are just stainless steel sharp-edged toothless blades to cut through this type of hose. Do not use a wood blade or an abrasive blade. These work very well. This blade can be purchased from a F.H. Curtis dealer. The type of hose we're cutting is a automotive racing hose. It's got a PTFE core with a stainless steel sheath and a polyester black coating on the outside. In the past, we were cutting the hose with these snips. So, quick demonstration. So I'm just going to do a cut here, one-handed. So the resulting cut, as you can see, it makes a clean cut, but it also flattens the hose. This wasn't too bad, but it led to fraying of the stainless steel braid. So we decided to invest in the saw. So the saw holds, the bracket holds the hose at a slight bend. That's how all the hose saws work. They like to cut through bent hose to prevent any binding. So, quick demonstration. I have a hose loaded in there. I put tape on it just so you can see where the cut is, not necessarily because you need it. And the saw blade has to be adjusted so that it doesn't bottom out on the bracket and damage the blade. So here we go. All right, let's look at the finished product. The hose is still perfectly round. Let's get it to focus here. It's a nice clean cut. And there's no residue like what's found with an abrasive blade. It's perfectly clean. So now we can go ahead and strip the sheath off of this and then use it in the hose crimper. All right, that's it.